Hello IG Garage family. If your scanner is showing the P2199 code, don't ignore it, because this code is related to your engine's temperature monitoring system. And if left unresolved, it can affect fuel economy, engine performance, and cold start operation. What does P2199 mean? P2199 stands for Intake Air Temperature Sensor 1 and 2 correlation. In simple words, the ECU has detected that the readings from Intake Air Temperature Sensor 1 and Intake Air Temperature Sensor 2 do not match. Both sensors monitor the temperature of the air entering the engine. The ECU compares these readings to calculate the correct air-fuel mixture. When the temperature values differ more than expected, the ECU stores the P2199 code. Common symptoms: if your vehicle has P2199, you may notice: check engine light on, poor fuel economy, hard starting, rough idle, engine hesitation, reduced engine performance, inconsistent acceleration, and sometimes increased exhaust emissions. In many cases, the vehicle may still drive normally, but fuel efficiency can decrease. Sensor location. Now let's talk about location. Intake Air Temperature Sensor 1 is usually located inside the mass airflow sensor or air intake duct. Intake Air Temperature Sensor 2 may be located in the intake manifold, charge pipe, or intercooler system depending on the vehicle design. Both sensors are connected to the ECU through electrical wiring and connectors. These sensors continuously monitor incoming air temperature and send data to the engine computer. The most common causes of P2199 include: faulty Intake Air Temperature Sensor 1, faulty Intake Air Temperature Sensor 2, damaged wiring harness, loose or corroded connectors, air intake system problems, sensor contamination, or ECU issues in rare cases. A faulty temperature sensor is the most common cause of this trouble. Code. Quick diagnosis. Start by checking live data from both intake air temperature sensors using an obd2 scanner. Compare the readings. If one sensor shows a significantly different temperature, it may be faulty. Inspect wiring and connectors for corrosion or damage. Check the air intake system for loose connections, and verify sensor resistance according to manufacturer specifications. How to fix P2199. Repair damaged wiring, clean corroded connectors, replace a faulty intake air temperature sensor, repair intake system issues if necessary. Clear the code and perform a complete road test. After repairs, verify that both temperature sensors provide similar readings. Final result: fixing P2199 will restore accurate air temperature readings, improve fuel delivery calculations, enhance fuel economy, improve engine performance, and help your vehicle run smoothly again. If this video helped, subscribe to IG Garage and comment your vehicle make and model for more diagnostic help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.